Hi viewers, today I am going to show you something different. Like the way I told you, every time I do, it's going to be something different, something that we have not done before. It should be like that. Before that, I would like to say I have my cookery book, and this is also says cooking like mum. All these preparations that I have done in this, 5 versions of this I have done in one. That is cake, the pastry, the different type of savories and Indian, Sri Lankan, all that is there. And today I am going to do something which is called Mexican flake. Is also something to do with baking. So I am using canned fish today. You can use salmon, you can use whatever canned fish you like, but mainly it's a canned fish that we use, but you can use fresh fish also. So 1 can of fish that I have taken and cleaned it up, broken into small pieces and kept it ready. Potato also you boil, mash and keep it ready. Onions, curry leaves, green chilies, we need a little butter, salt, pepper, chili powder and rest of it, and of course I have using a little bacon also, and eggs. It depends on how many eggs we are using for this tray, because now if I take a bigger baking tray, so I could use for 6 people 6 eggs, 5 people 5 eggs, like that. So we will see how we are going to make this. First of all, put a little oil, and as I told you, finely chopped onions a little, curry leaves, green chilies, we temper it. Temper this first. So while I am tempering, into that I will add a little salt. If I add the salt, I can temper it faster. I don't want the color to be dark, it's nice. Just stir fried. Now what I am going to do, I have taken the canned fish, that is salmon, whatever canned fish you like you can use. Potatoes, boiled and mashed up, onions, green chilies, curry leaves, which all that is nicely mixed up, tempered, and that oil also I am putting, no problem. We can use, if there is a bit of oil, that oil also can go in. The other thing that I am going to use is pepper, turmeric, salt. Mix all these together. Like mixing for cutlets, you mix it. So if I take 1 canned fish, you can see 250 grams of potatoes. You can use, if you use more potatoes, well and good. So you mix it nicely and take this. I am going to put a little butter. About 30 grams of butter is used. But please remember, I am not using the whole quantity. I have already done for you and I have baked and kept. So what I am doing here is a smaller quantity that I am doing. So I didn't put 30 grams, I put about 15 grams only butter. And canned fish also, the salmon also, I have taken only a quarter of it, and about 2 potatoes I have taken. So all that is there, and all the seasoning, pepper, salt, turmeric, butter, which we have used. Now what I am going to do here is butter the dish nicely. Mix it like the way we mix for the cutlets. I have taken this dish, put into that. Press it nicely into that. This way you press it and make it a bit hollow. Sides have to be nicely covered. That's done. Now what I am going to do is I'll break the eggs one by one. Right, now I have put 3 because this is a smaller one, so only I can use 3 into this. Once I put the 3, I use a little bacon. If you like, you can use bacon. Please ladies, those who don't use bacon, all the viewers who are watching, if you don't want bacon, just leave out the bacon and do it. No problem at all. If you like, you can use the bacon also. One egg broke, you can see, but I have already done for you. That was really nice. To bake this, carefully keep it in the oven. Bake it for 180 centigrades and you put for 20 minutes, roughly for 20 minutes. And if it is not baked enough, another 2 minutes or 3 minutes we can bake and take till the egg gets set. This Mexican flake is ready, and I have done a bigger bowl, so that you can see how it is. For 5 people I have done, so there is about 5 eggs used. Now you can cut it off and serve it with dinner buns. If you like it, I am sure, what will you do? You subscribe my YouTube channel and you will get many more recipes. Every week I am giving you a new recipe, and I am sure you are trying out all this, and all my viewers are telling it's really nice and they enjoy my cooking. Thank you so much, and I see you next week with another program.